If you're ready to incorporate a bestseller from a leading brand between the price point of $1,000 and $1,499, keep reading to see which of our top picks of the 5 best treadmills under $1,500 would be most compatible. In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills under $1,500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Studio Series Advanced Training Treadmill. Are you a serious runner who wants a quality product at a great price without having to worry about poor construction? Look no further than Horizon Fitness and the 7.0 AT. This model eliminates all the unneeded extras that often do more to keep companies competitive than to keep you fit. It provides plenty of options for a challenging workout, great connectivity, and is built with the quality needed to keep up with heavy use. It's important to do your homework before you buy, which is why you're reading this now. Where other products in this price range take shortcuts that reduce durability, there are 3 main features the Horizon 7.0 AT is working in its favor that indicate it should pass the test of time, whether tall, short, or somewhere in between. The 60-inch running deck and shock absorption system provide the space you need for a long stride to get the endorphins flowing. Horizon Fitness also affords users great workout programs. See our detailed review of the Horizon 7.0 AT. Number 2. ProForm Pro 2000 Smart Treadmill. The ProForm Pro 2000 residential treadmill includes special upgrades and features that made it a customer favorite, and has gained our acclaim as the best overall treadmill under $1,500. Its 10-inch HD touchscreen is the perfect size to analyze your stats without getting in the way, and you'll appreciate the ability to automatically sync various programs with the incline and decline settings. This emulates terrains that can teleport you anywhere in the world without ever leaving the comfort of your house. Whether you're a walker, runner, or somewhere in between, the ProForm Pro 2000 is built to meet the demand with a 3.25 chp Max Z motor. Speed ranges from 0 to 12 miles per hour, and adding resistance with incline can go a long way in building muscles without all the extra equipment. While a standard tread belt, 55-inch residential treadmill can be restrictive for taller runners, this product features a spacious 60 by 20-inch track. In terms of workout programs, this treadmill comes iFit ready with automatic trainer control. A separate smart beat heart rate monitor can be purchased with the treadmill to use in conjunct with an iFit membership. Number 3. Soul Fitness F63 Treadmill. You get what you pay for. And, in many circumstances, when you buy a treadmill under $1,500, the low price comes with a quality compromise. With the Soul F63, not only are you getting a very inexpensive treadmill, but you're getting one that will stand the test of time. This is largely due to the fact that Soul skips many of the often gimmicky extras thrown in to set the manufacturers apart. Rather, their F63 model focuses on the features that really matter, like advanced cushioning, large track rollers, and a heavy-duty motor. Maximum user weight is a whopping 325 pounds. Although you don't get all the bells and whistles, the Soul F63 still offers an expansive range of incline from 0 to 15% and 10 preset workouts that make it easier to reach your fitness goals. If you're training for a competition or otherwise need a specific regimen, you can also enjoy 2 user-defined workouts. Best of all, the 6.5-inch LCD screen tells you everything you need to know to push your own limits. See our detailed review of the Soul F63. Number 4. ProForm City L6 Folding Treadmill. Do you plan to use your treadmill primarily for walking? In that case, there's no sense paying more than you have to for extra space and features you won't be using. With the ProForm City L6, you get exactly what you need. Even though it's under $1,500, this model keeps things simple with, you get what you need at a price you can afford while maintaining an uncluttered aesthetic in your home gym. Since the ProForm City L6 treadmill delivers a minimal footprint, depending on the latest deals, you can score this sleek treadmill for around $600 $700. and it easily slides under your bed or into the closet when not in use. It may only weigh 125 pounds. But that doesn't mean it has a weak load capacity. It's capable of supporting up to 250 pounds, and ProShock's cushioning reduces impact on the joints to make every workout as smooth as possible. When you purchase your ProForm City L6 treadmill, you automatically get a 1-year family membership with iFit, a value of nearly $500 free just for being a customer. If that's not your thing, the unit features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to try out other fitness apps with your tablet that can be placed in the convenient tablet holder. Number 5. Soul Fitness F80 Folding Treadmill. Are you training for a long-distance competition? Maybe you carry a lot of weight and worry cheaper products won't be able to support you. If you're willing to invest an extra $100, the Soul F80 is a product you'll definitely want to check out. The investment in your fitness is one that pays off, and that extra $100 can go a long way for the serious athlete. For starters, the deck is reversible. This means, when one side wears out, you can flip it over for extended durability. The frame, motor, and deck are protected with a lifetime warranty to further assure you of quality construction built to last. It also features a great running surface with a load capacity of 375 pounds. In terms of interactive training, the Soul Fitness app features everything from slow walks to interval training. That extra money goes beyond quality construction. When you buy a Soul F80 treadmill, you also get to take advantage of plenty of helpful extras like, best of all, the Soul F80 periodically goes on sale for $100, $200 off, so it may be in your budget. See our detailed review of the Soul F80.